Hi, baby. Hello. You got the hiccups? Maybe a little Nook will help with the hiccups. And Mommy's getting you a bottle. That'll really help. You don't want that either, huh? You hold you? Come here. Let's go walk around a little bit. Does that help your hiccups? No? See your mommy down there? What's she doing? Videotaping her hiccups. They sound too cute. What are we going to do about those hiccups? So patting you in the back didn't work. You just got to hold your breath, kiddo. Whoa, those are some crazy eyes. You want to look outside, baby? I think it's snowing out. Yes, sir. See that? It's kind of bright, huh? Yeah. You don't really care much about the snow. Let's close the blind. Silly little monkey. Can't get rid of those hiccups, huh? There you are. Where are they gone? Oh, dang it. We thought they were gone, huh? There you go with the crazy eyes. How's that bottle coming, Beth? She's so funny when she thinks they're gone. hiccups just won't go bye-bye. Got some long hair, baby. Let's make it all messy. What you doing, Beth? Where are you going? Oh, you little sneeze? There's that cough. I think that was a cough. Oh, are they gone? Oh, man. So close. How about we let your mom hold you and give you a bottle? Bet you that'll take care of them real fast, and then we'll burp you real quick after that. She's not really sucking on it, is she?
I guess it's on my back. It's gonna be.
I'll go bring that rocking chair upstairs that I was supposed to.